Hello kids, how are you? Hope you are fit and healthy at home. Welcome to online classes. Myself Komal Kaur Seth here representing Shivjyoti Educational Group Kota. Today I am here to teach you chapter 4. So kids, open your book and take out page number 16. Today we will study pronouns. Before starting pronouns, you must know nouns. So children, do you remember what are nouns? Nouns are the names of persons, places, animals and things. So instead of repeating nouns again and again, what we do? We use pronouns in place of them. So let's start and see more about pronouns and how it replaces nouns. Let's start. Children, look here. You can see the picture of a girl with a teddy. So, who is she? Radha has a teddy. Here, Radha is a naming word and she is a girl. So, the pronoun we use in place of Radha is she. So, she has a teddy. Here, you can see the picture of a boy flying kite. Sam is flying a kite. So, what is the name of the boy? Sam, and it is the name, it is a noun. So, the pronoun we use in place of Sam is he, because Sam is a boy. He is flying a kite. Cat is climbing. Here cat is the name of an animal, and the pronoun we use to replace animal is it. It is climbing. Children are going to school. Children is also a noun, and the pronoun we use to replace children is they, because it is more than one, because here we are talking about more than one person. So, the pronoun we used THEY, they. They are going to school. In the above examples, she is used in place of Radha, he is used in place of Sam, it is used in place of cat, and they is used in place of children. These words are pronouns. So, he, she, it, they, these all are pronouns. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word used in place of noun. So, what we learn? That pronoun is a word we use in place of noun. Some pronouns we use every day are I, me, we, us, you, he, him, she, her, they, it and them. So, there are many pronouns, and the most important ones that we use in our daily life are I, me, we, us, you, he, him, she, her and them. These pronouns replace the names of the people. So, here you can see a table. Here what we are doing? We are learning the pronouns which we use to replace the names of the people. जो हम people का name change करने में pronouns use करते हैं, here we will learn used for the names of males. Males कौन होते हैं? Boy, man, uncle, ये सब males होते हैं. So the pronoun we use for them is he and him. Used for the names of females. Children, females कौन होते हैं? Females are girls, women, aunt. These come under the category of females. So, the pronoun we use here is she and her, used for the names of both males and females. Here we are learning the pronouns we use for both males and females. I, me, you, we, us, they and them. Singular and plural pronouns from the above table. So, now we will learn the singular and plural pronouns from the above table. So, children, What is singular? Anything which is one comes in is called singular form, and other things which are more than one comes in plural form, singular pronoun. So, anything which is single is singular pronoun. I, he, him, she, her, it. These all are singular pronoun used for one thing, one people, one animal. Plural pronouns we, us, they, them. So, here when we talk about more than one thing, one person, one animal, we use plural pronouns. Let us see the example. When we talk about a girl, single girl, we use she, and when we talk about many girls, we say they. So, did you get? The pronoun you is used in both singular and plural. So, now we will learn about the pronoun you. So, pronoun you is used both in singular and plural. The pronoun you is used both in singular and plural. For example, you are a good friend. Here we are talking about friend, single friend. So, you is used, you are a good friend. You are good friends, but here we take plural form of friend, which is friends. So, here also we are using the pronoun you. So, what you learn? That you is used in both singular and plural. Let us see one more example. You are a sincere student. So, here we are saying, let's see, आप क्लास में होते हो तो टीचर कहते हैं you are a good boy, you are a sincere boy, you are a sincere student. So, here we are using you to say you are a sincere student. Here we are talking about a single student, and the next sentence, you are a sincere student. Here we use S, so it is a plural form of student. So, here in both the sentence we are using you. So, what you learned? That you is used in both singular and plural. The pronoun it is used for animals and things. So, it is used for animals and things. Which pronoun is used for animals and things? The pronoun it. Let us see the example. An elephant is the world's largest land animal. It is very huge. So, here you can see the picture of an elephant. So, what you learn, that elephant is the world's largest animal. वो world का सबसे बड़ा animal है. So, in next sentence, we are replacing an elephant with the pronoun it. We are replacing an elephant with the pronoun it. So, an elephant is the world's largest land animal. It is very huge. So, instead of repeating nouns again and again, what we do? We replace it with pronoun. So, here it is used in place of an elephant. Next, Rahul is playing with ball. So, here you can see a picture of a boy. His name is Rahul and he is playing with a ball. You can see which color is the ball of? It is red in color. So, Rahul is playing with ball, it is red in color. So, what we do here? We replace the noun ball with pronoun it. Rahul is playing with ball, it is red in color. So, what is red in color? Ball. So, here ball is replaced with it. So, here it is used for an elephant and a ball. So, children, what we learned, that it is used for animals and things. Here you can see animal and thing. There are many other animals and things for which we used it. The pronoun it is also used to talk about time and weather. It is also used to talk about टाइम एंड वेदर। टाइम होता है राइट, आप लोग देखते हैं आपकी वॉच में, आपके घर में बड़ा सा क्लॉक लगा रहता है, आपको टाइम देखना होता है, तो टाइम और वेदर के लिए हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं, वी यूज़ IT इट। Let us see few examples. It is 7 o'clock in my watch. It is 7 o'clock in my watch. Here we are talking about time. So what we use? We use the pronoun IT it. It is a beautiful day. Let's go to picnic. So here we are talking about beautiful day. अच्छा beautiful day कब होगा? जब बहुत अच्छा weather होगा. So हमें वेदर के बारे में बात करनी है. Here we are talking about weather, so we use the pronoun it. Next, it will rain today. Here also we are talking about rain. Rain is a part of a rainy season. It is also telling us the weather condition. So which pronoun we use here? The pronoun IT it. So children, what you learned, it is used in the pronoun it is used to tell animals, things and time and weather. Let's learn more nouns and pronouns. Here you can see the table. It is of nouns and pronouns. Ram. Ram कौन होता है? RAM. Ram. Ram is the name of a boy. So the pronoun we use to replace boy is he. Okay. Megha. Megha is the name of a girl, and the pronoun we use to replace the girl is SHE, she. Cow. Cow gives us milk. Cow is the name of an animal. So the pronoun we use to replace cow is IT it. Children. Here we are talking about children, not a child. Child is a singular form. So here the pronoun we use is THEY, they. Next, I and my father. Here I is using for the person who is speaking. The person who speak is a speaker. जो बोलता है वो कौन होता है? Speaker होता है. So here I and my father. So I इधर speaker है, इस sentence में क्या है? Speaker है, और my father. We use pronoun WEV. Important points. A singular pronoun takes the place of a singular noun. Example. What does this sentence mean, children? That a single pronoun, wherever single pronoun will be, we have to replace it with singular noun. Rahul lives near a park. He lives near a park. So here Rahul is a boy. We are talking about a single boy, Rahul. So it is replaced with pronoun he. It is replaced with pronoun he. So singular noun is replaced with singular pronoun. A camel has a hump. Here a camel, we are talking about a camel, and camel is a animal. So the pronoun we use for a single camel is IT it. It has a hump. A camel has a hump. It has a hump. A plural pronoun is used in place of plural nouns. So the way we replace singular noun with singular pronoun, now we will replace plural pronoun, plural noun with plural pronoun. Sia put toys in a box. So here the highlighted word is toys. Here it is, we are not talking about single toy, we are talking about toys in a plural form, toy in plural form. So we replace it with THEM, them. Sia put them in a box. Sia put toys in a box, Sia put them in a box. Because here we are talking about many toys, we use pronoun THEM, them. Helena and I are cousins. So What do you see? I. So I कब use होता है? Whenever speaker is there. So what we have learned earlier, whenever there is speaker in the conversation, in the sentence, we replace it with pronoun we. We replace it with pronoun we. So Helena and I is replaced with pronoun here, you can see, and Helena and I are cousins. So it becomes we are cousins. Rita and Yash are playing. Here Rita and Yash are playing. So the pronoun we use for Rita and Yash is THEY, they are playing. Children, now we will do bookwork of chapter 4, pronouns. So kids, open your book, take out page number 17. Question A, match the nouns in column A with the correct pronouns in column B. Some nouns are given to you in column A, you have to match them with pronouns in column B. So look at number 1. Number 1 is Rahul. Rahul is the name of a boy or girl? Rahul is the name of a boy. So children, which pronoun we use in place of boy? We use pronoun he, right? So we will mark number 1 over here in front of he. Now look at number 2, Mani and Akhil. So here we are talking about more than one person. So children, whenever we talk about more than one person, we use pronoun they. So mark 2 in front of they. Now look at number 3, my sister, mother and I. So children, in this noun, speaker is there because I is written, right? So whenever speaker is there in a sentence and we are talking about more than one person, we use pronoun we. So write down number 3 in front of we. Now look at number 4, Prabha. So Prabha is a name of a girl or boy? It is a name of a girl. So which pronoun we used for Prabha? We use pronoun she for Prabha, who is girl. So write down number 4 here in front of she. Now a dog. Dog is a name of an animal. We use pronoun it for animal. So match it with it. Write down number 5 in front of it. Next question, children. Question B, underline the pronouns in the following sentences. So children, some sentences are given to you, you just have to underline them, okay. Number 1, she put on a new frock. Here we are talking about one girl, right, that she put on a new frock. So which is the pronoun here? SHE, she, which is used in place of a girl. Okay, now look at number 3. I gave him a pair of shoes. So children, here pronoun, when do we use I? Whenever we talk about ourselves. So in place of name, I is given because someone is talking about himself or herself, and him is also given over here. So we will underline I and him in this sentence. Then look at number 5. We went to meet Rajat's grandfather. Here pronoun is we, means that they are talking about more than one person including the speaker. Okay. Now let us move to our next question. Question C. Look at the words in red in each sentence in column A. Choose the best pronoun to take their place in column B. So children, here you can see some words, some nouns in red. Okay, you have to choose the pronoun from the helping box and rewrite it in column B. Number 1, our dog Toto was sleeping. So children, here they are talking about dog, animal. So which pronoun we use for animal? We use pronoun it. So we will write it was sleeping. We will write it and sentence will be it was sleeping. Now look at number 3. My brother was playing with a toy. Here we are talking about brother. We use brother. We use brother for a boy, right? So we will write he in place of my brother. He was playing with a toy. Now look at number 4. The ball was big. So children, here we are talking about a thing, okay. So whenever we talk about thing, we use pronoun it, it. So write down it over here in place of the ball. It was big. Now look at number 6. My sister caught the ball. Here 2 nouns are marked red. One is my sister and other is the ball. Okay? So my sister, we use sister for girl. So here in place of my sister we will use she, she, because we use sister for girl, and for girl we use pronoun she, right. So in place of my sister we write she, and in place of the ball we will write it, because ball is a thing, right. Now next question. Question D. Choose the correct pronouns from brackets to fill in the blanks. So children, some options are given to you in a bracket. You have to choose the correct one and fill in the blanks. Number 1. The teacher called me dash went to her immediately. Here a person is talking about himself. Okay, whenever we talk about ourselves, we use pronoun I. Okay, so which option we will choose? I, you, she. We will choose option I. The teacher called me. I went to her immediately. Number 3. Radha will not go to school. Dash is not well. Here we are talking about a girl called Radha, right? Radha is the name of a girl. So which pronoun we will use? Let us check the options. He, she, they. Which one we will choose? We will use option she. Write down she, she over here. Sentence will be Radha will not go to school. She is not well. Now look at number 4. The dog was happy when we played with dash. So children, here we are talking about dog. Dog, for dog we use pronoun it, it. For animal we use pronoun it, it. So which option will we select? It, she or he? We will choose it, it. The dog was happy when we played with it. Now children, let us move further. Question E. Write the correct pronouns in the blanks to replace the underlined nouns. So children, you have to replace the underlined nouns with pronouns. Here look at number 2. Monica stood first in her class. Underlined word is Monica. Monica is the name of a girl. So we will replace Monica with she. Write down she, she. She stood first in her class. Now look at number 4. Nitin came but Supriya could not. Here underlined word is Nitin and Supriya. In place of Nitin we will use he, because Nitin is a name of a boy, Nitin is a name of a man. So in place of Nitin we will write he, he. In place of Supriya we will use pronoun she, she. Okay. So sentence will be he came but she could not. In place of Nitin he, in place of Supriya she. Now look at number 5. Diksha and I study in the same school. Dash study in the same school. So here we are talking about more than one person, Diksha and I. We use I for ourselves, right? So speaker is there in the speech. So whenever a speaker is there in the speech, we use pronoun WEV. Sentence will be we study in the same school. Now children, let us move to next question. Question F. Circle the incorrect pronouns in the following sentences and write the correct pronouns in the space given. So children, some sentences are given to you. You have to circle the incorrect pronouns and rewrite it in the blank given in front of it. Number 1 has been done for you. Now look at number 2. Dora is my pet fish. They is black. Here we are talking about one pet fish, that is Dora. Okay. So which pronoun we use for animal, children? We use pronoun it. Okay. Dora, only we are talking about only one pet fish. Name is Dora. Its name is Dora, right? So Dora is my pet fish. It is black. So circle they, which is wrong. We have to circle the incorrect one, right? So we will circle the incorrect one and write it in front of it. Now look at number 4. My sister goes to college. Here in this sentence we are talking about a girl, about a woman, because sister is written over here, right? My sister goes to college. It is a good student. So here we are talking about a girl, about a woman. So we will use pronoun SHE in place of it. It is wrong. So we will circle it. Then we will write the right one. Which is right one? SHE, she is the right one. My sister goes to school. She is a good student. Okay. Now look at number 5. Teja and Uday called me. So children, is there speaker in it? I is there? No, na. So speaker is not there. But we are talking about more than one person. So which pronoun we will use when we talk about more than one person? We use pronoun they. But when speaker is not there? Here speaker is there? No, I is not there. So speaker is not there. So in place of Teja and Uday, we will use THE by they and circle HE because this is incorrect one. Teja and Uday called me. They will not come to the party. He is incorrect. Okay. Now children, our book work is over. Do your book work neatly in a beautiful handwriting. Thank you.